Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to see CPU temperature on MacBook. So the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the MacBook that you own, open it, and this is what you'll have in front of you. So a lot of icons and a lot of applications that you can of course go and use. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and see CPU temperature on a MacBook. So basically, first of all, we use a free temperature monitoring app. So popular apps to include is Hot, so the name is just Hot, Max Fan Control, iStat Menus. This is paid with a free trial, so you can try it and see if it's good. You can, after installing one of these apps, open the app, allow any requested permissions, view your CPU temperature on the main screen or in the menu bar, depending on the app, and that's basically how you can do it. You can check CPU usage with the activity monitor. Also, check for overheating signs, which is of course fans running in high speed and the Mac feeling usually hot. So you can of course touch your Mac, see if it is unusually hot. Slower performance due to the terminal throttling. Recommended apps, as I told you, Hot, Max Fan Control, and iStat menus. So keep those in mind. So those are the best options that you can see. But of course, sometimes you can also go and feel it with your own hand and see if it is starting to overheat. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.